Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nori, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the VOSS Windflower eyeshadow palette right here. I got this adorable little palette in my Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of May, and it's taken me a minute to finally get to playing with it, and today I definitely had a lot of fun creating this eyeshadow look right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a tutorial, some swatches, and give you my overall thoughts about this little palette right here. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's a quick swatch of the palette. It looks like this shade disappeared into my skin, which is actually pretty cool. This really matched my skin nicely, and I like that because I was able to use that as a really nice blending shade. Like when I kind of went overboard on the edge here on the outer part, and that really helped out with my skin tone to blend everything out. But you have a very like neutral but berry toned palette as well here. Some of these swatches are very messy, sorry about that, but you also have like some, I see this is like a pink tone, soft pink. This shimmer is has some hints of pink. This shimmer here reminds me of a shimmer from the I Pinky Promise palette. If you have any of the VOSS palettes, I own that one and I love it. But overall, just a really pretty color story, and I think that it's really perfect for everyday wear and for creating soft everyday looks and then turning them into night looks by just adding like a little bit of something darker on the outer corner. So overall, I really like this palette, and I should have shown you a close-up by now, but I think it's a really cute, adorable little palette, perfect for traveling. You get a really nice size mirror, and you have a total of 10 shadows in here. I know that these are available at Sephora. I'll have the price on screen because I'm actually not sure. I was introduced to VOSS through like Ipsy and Charm, and I absolutely love her formula, and these palettes are my go-tos. So I really like this one. I think it's really nice and perfect for everyday wear, but the burgundy and like the gold shimmers also make it a little bit more fun. So totally in love with the formula, and now we're going to go ahead and get into this eyeshadow tutorial right here. Okay guys, so as always, the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelids, getting near the brow bone. Now I'm taking a Morphe M321 brush, and this is a very small brush that's perfect for your crease, and I'm dipping into that red brown shadow. I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it upwards and into my outer crease. I'm first just building the pigment and just trying to place it in the spot that I want it to be, and then I'm slowly going to drag it outwards to kind of flare it out a little bit and create a nice shape, and sort of to also soften the shadow and make sure that I don't have any patchiness going on. And I really did enjoy this shadow. So right now I'm just flaring it a little bit more, making it a little bit more dramatic. And now that I feel like the shadow is soft enough, I'm also going to drag it towards the front part of my crease and also like the top of my inner lid. And what's going to happen is that I'm going to have a nice gradient between like the light part and the darker part of the shadow. I think it looks really nice and pretty. So I'm dragging that downwards, and you get a really nice contrast in my opinion. And this shadow just really performs so nicely. Very nice and blendable, pigmented. You can get it to be as pigmented as you want it to be. Now I'm taking a Morphe M330 large blending brush, and I'm dipping into the lightest brown in the palette, and I'm going to use this as my blending shade. I'm being very light when I'm getting towards the crease because I don't want the color to disappear. I just want to get rid of the harsh lines and also make everything a little bit softer. But this color was also perfect for me because it matches my skin tone, so it's really nice to kind of erase things with. Now I'm dipping into that beautiful shimmer right there, and I'm using an all over shadow brush from the brand Luna Magic, and I'm applying this all over my lid, just saturating my whole lid with it because it's just beautiful, and this shimmer made the look entirely for me. I just love it. I also really like to get some shadow on the tip of my brush and kind of apply it following the natural curve of my eyelid to create sort of a cut crease effect. And I think that this just gives you a really nice contrast between your crease and your lid, and I really enjoy it. Now I'm going back in with that crease brush from Morphe, and I'm dipping into the darkest shade in the palette, which is this deep brown. And I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye and very gently blend it into my outer crease and also flare it out right there. And I think it's just beautiful. It gives this look a little bit more dimension. We get a little bit more of like the mix of berry and brown. Really pretty. I loved it overall, honestly. Now I'm going to take my large blending brush and dip into the lightest brown again. I'm just going to clean up just a tiny little bit because I feel like I overdid it. I got a little bit too dramatic, but I'm also being gentle because I don't want to get rid of my color. But that light brown is perfect for my skin tone to sort of erase, and I just really thought that it helped me out a little bit to get things to be a little bit not so dramatic. But overall, everything is performing very, very nicely, and I'm very impressed. Now I'm taking a very small lid brush and I'm dipping into that burgundy shimmer, which was calling my name since I saw this palette. And I'm going to apply it all over underneath my lower lash line, just because I really wanted to try to use as many colors as I possibly could in this palette. And this one I really did enjoy. It took a minute to build up, but that's expected. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. And yeah, very happy with it. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty eye pencil longwear pencil eyeliner, fly pencil longwear pencil eyeliner in the shade Grills, which is like sort of a gold yellow shimmer, and I'm going to apply it to my waterline. I love this so much. I love how it performed. It's very pigmented and creamy, and I got it in my Ipsy Glam Back Plus as well. And overall, I'm just very impressed. I didn't think that it would show up as well as it's showing up, so I really do like it, and I'm glad that, again, that I got that in my bag. Now I could not end this look without using this beautiful gold right there, so I thought that it would also be beautiful to use with that the color that I have in my waterline. So I'm going to apply it to my center underneath my lower lash line, just to the center a little bit, and I'm also going to apply it to my inner corner right there in my inner corner, and I'm going to connect it to the top. I just really wanted to use this color because it's just so pretty and it was calling my name. So I'm applying it again to my inner corner, connecting it to the top shimmer a little bit. And I'm very impressed with how it performed. I love the vibes going on in this look overall. Now I'm taking the Wonder Beauty Skyliner Idolmatic Gel Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, and this is a gel liner, and I just decided to do something different today. So I'm applying it sort of just to the outer part. I sort of created a very thin, like non-existent line in the front part of my eye, but I'm creating a wing, and my plan is to smoke it out just because I've been wanting to do something like this. So after that, I took a small angled brush right here. This one is from Morphe. And I'm dipping into the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm going to use that shadow to smudge out and sort of smoke out this liner. And I think it turned out so beautiful and soft. I've been wanting to do I've been like experimenting with different liner looks, and I think it's just really pretty. Smoky but soft, and overall, I'm very pleased with it. And I like this combo. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look and give you some final thoughts about this palette and the look overall. Okay guys, so here's how the look turned out. I took like 100 hours deciding on a like lip combo. I could not decide. I was going bright and then I didn't know what to do, but overall this is the look. Let me give you a close-up. I try to use as many shadows as I could to get like a true feel for the palette, and also because I was really enjoying myself using this palette. I already said earlier I love VOSS's eyeshadow formula. It's really nice and easy to work with, and the shimmers are one of my favorite kinds of shimmers because they look foiled, but they're pigmented and just very easy to work with. And I was having so much fun like layering different shadows together. It was really nice. I think that when you have a formula that you enjoy, you have more fun because you're trying to be creative, because you know it's gonna work out. Sometimes when it's a brand new formula that you don't really know, you might not get too creative because you don't know if it's gonna be patchy. Well, at least me, that's just the way I am. But this little palette performed super nicely, and I think it's really nice and perfect for traveling. And I'm so happy that I got this through Ipsy. I remember when I first was able to choose it, it made my Ipsy month. I really enjoyed it. I did use something else that I got in my Ipsy Glam Back Plus. In case you follow Ipsy and you care about like their products, or this product in general, is the Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Grills, just like a yellow gold. I was really interested in this, and I was really actually impressed with the way that it applied on my waterline. It's nice and pigmented, and I think it did a great job. And it brought a little bit of contrast to the look, so I really enjoyed it. Oh, it's so pretty. I think it's really beautiful. It's more of a gold than it is a yellow, I've come to realize, but I really did enjoy it. It's really creamy, pigmented. Very impressed with that. And for my lips, I used as a lip liner the Saint Luxe Secret Admirer lip liner, which is a brown, pretty dark brown. And then for lipstick, I went with the Kaja Beauty Air Heart in the shade 06 Boo. Really pretty lipstick. I love this lipstick. So that's like a little bit of a mauvey color, and then I thought it was a really nice mix with the dark brown and the mauvey pink lipstick to create sort of a nude lip without it being like too nude. And then over that, I went in with the Persona Cosmetics Honey Gloss, which is one of my favorite glosses, and I thought that this just added a little bit of warmth to like this super pink look and made it kind of all come together. And that's the combo on my lips, in case you guys care at all. But yeah, I was just sitting there for a while trying to decide on a lip combo. Does anybody else do that? Like try out different lip combinations and never know what to wear? Like at first I had like an orangey lipstick, then a brown lipstick, then a reddish lipstick. I don't know, it took me way too long, so I settled on something safe. But overall, I'm very happy with the look. I think it's really nice and glam, and I don't know, really pretty. And this palette, I'm so happy that I got through Ipsy. Really nice. I did also, so I used that for my Ipsy Glam Back Plus, in case you guys are from Ipsy and you want to know about that product. I love it. So if you have a chance to get this, I know that it was available for points. I don't know if it's available right now, but the eyeliner I love too. And I did also get this concealer. I don't have it a clip of me trying it out, but I like on a whim decided to try it out today. The Complex Scorcher Let Up concealer, and I love it. So if you get a chance to get this through like Ipsy add-ons or anything that's coming up, flash sale, I never know when that is, but I recommend it. It's really nice and creamy, but also like pretty medium to full coverage. I'm very impressed by this concealer, so I used that today. I did, while I was doing my makeup, earlier I applied some of this like Galactic lip oil gloss that I got in my bag as well this month. Well, last month, May. And I love the product. So overall, this look has me very happy, and I'm so happy that today I took some time out to play with some makeup, some new makeup, new to me. And yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me so I know to make more like this. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and turn on the little notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. And I hope you have an awesome, amazing day today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.